Hello and welcome. Today let's continue our work on this rusty old water tower and fix a few more of the issues. So it looks like I've separated this guy from the rest of them. So let's go in and we'll check this guy out and see what kind of problems we have here. Go into edit mode. Let's select that one since that's one of the simpler ones. All right. The first thing I would probably do is I would do a Control R and try and do an edge select. And what do we got is like it's not working. Get that little dot there, but it's not, I'm not doing a loop around it. Well, and why is that? Well, I'll show you. I'm going to make a copy of this. Shift D, Enter GX, move it over here a little bit. And we'll shrink it down a little bit so that it's easier to see. And there's the reason right there. It's got tries instead of quads. And so the Control R just doesn't like it. Well, there's a solution for that. Go to old Blender to the rescue. Select the whole thing, do a Control F, and select tries to quads. And now you can see it's no longer triangles, but oops, but it's quads. Come on, get back there. So now if I do a Control R, I can do my loop select. So let's see if we can't solve this guy. We'll use this new technique that we learned here. I'm going to select this tube here. Oh, the tube we're working on is, I want to make that connection right there. So first off, select everything, do a Control F, try the quads. Now let's select this one. Make sure we get everything. Control F, tries to quads. Okay, now let's turn on 3D mode. And I'm going to do a Control R, 2 loop cuts in this one. And then I'm going to delete all of these edges. I can select them. Come on, be nice. Oh, it's because I'm in vertex select mode. Sorry about that. Did we get them all? Yes, we did. All right, I want to get rid of that face there. Okay. GZ, drag it down. GZ, drag it up so it's nice and close. Actually, it was close enough, actually. G, what is this, Y? No. GX. Come on. GX. Close enough. All right. Do a box select. Control E to bridge edge loops. Looks like we got them all. Bridge edge loops. Go into edge select, Pick that edge, F to create a face, get rid of X-ray mode. We don't need that anymore. Select that one and that one. F to select the face. And there you go. Perfect. No extra topology or floating vertexes or whatever. A nice joint. That's what it looks like in object mode. A little bit of a bump. Let me see, is it in shade smooth? And maybe go to normals. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's in auto smooth already. Doesn't seem to make any difference. All right, I'm liking it. All right, that's what I got for you today. Hope you can learn a little bit about using the Control R loop cut tool. I know I had seen that issue multiple times before, and I didn't know what the problem was until I looked closer at it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you again next time. Bye.